There are two types of phone buyers out there. First, those who eagerly anticipate new devices, excited about the latest upgrades like better low-light cameras, stunning displays, and premium build quality. Then, there are those who hate the process of shopping for a new phone, who see it as all cost and no upside. They're the people who respond with despair when they're told that their phone has reached the end of its software support period, or that it's no longer cost-effective to repair a seemingly minor hardware fault. Fairphone's devices have traditionally been targeted at this second kind of phone buyer. Dutch company Fairphone has beat the odds to reach its fifth smartphone. It has clawed out a niche in a market so competitive that major companies like Microsoft, HTC, LG, and Sony have failed or struggled. So what sets Fairphone apart from other brands? Fairphone is all about ethics. They carefully source components, ensure workers have safe conditions, uses recycled materials, sources fair trade gold, and buys cobalt and silver credits to support the improvement of working conditions for miners. Their factories pay living wages, use renewable energy, and invest in CO2 reduction projects. But here's the real kicker. The main advantage of owning a Fairphone is that we can repair the smartphone ourselves with just a screwdriver. All individual inner parts are available in the market for us to purchase and replace. This ethical pioneer has just released the Fairphone 5. It is a thinner, lighter, and more refined device compared with its predecessors, and one that makes leaps and bounds in terms of longevity, repairability, and quality. With a €699 price tag, it is more expensive than those before it, but it offers up to 10 years of software support. Unheard of in the smartphone industry, and a significant step in addressing tech waste. The most noticeable upgrade in the new device is the screen, now a crisp 6.46-inch OLED running at 90 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and bright enough for most situations, though it struggles a bit in bright sunlight. The latest Fairphone has an unusual chip at its heart. The Qualcomm QCM 6490 is designed primarily for a wide range of commercial systems, not phones, but works just as well in the Fairphone, with roughly the same performance as a mid-range Snapdragon 782 phone chip from 2022. Combined with 8 GB of RAM, the chip offers middle-of-the-road performance. The Fairphone 5 also has a micro SD card slot, enabling you to expand the 256 GB of internal storage up to 2 TB, but it misses out on the golden trifecta of yesteryear because there's no headphone port. The phone has a pair of 50-megapixel main and ultra-wide cameras on the back and a 50MP selfie camera. The main camera is the best, shooting reasonable images in good light, but it can sometimes struggle with color inconsistency compared with rivals. The repairability of the Fairphone 5 has a minor cost embodied in the slightly bulky design and the IP55 rating, which means it's fine in rain but cannot be submerged in the pool. The Fairphone 5 has a 5-year warranty. Users can repair the phone themselves with 10 modular spare parts available, requiring only a standard screwdriver to install. A replacement display costs €103, the back €25, while other components range between €20 and €73. Its big advantage is long-term support, enabling at least 5 Android version updates and 8 years of security updates, with Fairphone intending to stretch that to a full 10 years from release, something no other manufacturer offers, the best maxing out at about 6 to 7 years. Indeed, at €699, the Fairphone 5 is too expensive for many of us. A positive spin on this is that if the company manages to find some cost savings during the production run and offers some discounts, it can double its potential market. But it will still be a small market, though.